All right, let's make this this chocolate cream cheese buttercream. We're gonna add 2 sticks of softened butter. My other stick here. There. 2 sticks of softened butter. And we're gonna do 8 ounces of cream cheese. Alright. You want to beat that butter and cream cheese till it get real fluffy. Alright, after this is whipped up, let's add in 3 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1, that's 2, and that's 3. The vanilla extract, let's put in 1.5 cups of cocoa powder. I'm going to sift it in there. Let me take this bowl and bend it like this. Sift your stuff like this so it won't be no lumps in it. I'm going to sift my powdered sugar too. So this is, like I said, this is 1.5 cups of Hershey's cocoa powder. Make sure I move it. Let's sift it in there. Should be it. After it's sifted in there, let's mix again. Alright, we're about to sift in 1 cup of powdered sugar at a time. We're going to need between 6 and 7 cups of powdered sugar. So, that's my first cup. Let me sift that in there. I ain't going to show y'all this whole process. My first cup of powdered sugar. That means no lumps in there. Let's mix it in. Alright, y'all, after 7 cups of powdered sugar, see how thick this is? And watch my mixer. Sound like it's fighting through. But that's what I got me about 1/4 cup of half and half, or you can use whole milk. And you pour a little bit at a time until you get to the consistency that you want to spread your icing. I'm going to start with that much. Gonna make it smooth, gonna smooth it out. Y'all see there? And this is the consistency it's supposed to be right here. Y'all see there? Good and spreadable. All right. Don't forget, that's 8 ounces of cream cheese. That's 2 sticks of butter, 1 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of half and half, and 7 cups of powdered sugar. And you get this good, nice chocolate cream cheese buttercream frosting. All right.